Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to add buy now button in WooCommerce shop page and product single page with free plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress. If you check my YouTube channel WP Hindi, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like e-commerce website, classified listing website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request you please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress. Okay. So very fast let's check which I am going to do in this tutorial. This is a e-commerce website which I have built only this tutorial purpose. If I go to the shop page, just click over here shop. This is the shop page, and if I hover on this simple product, and you can see this is the cart icon, and if I click over here buy now, then directly it will redirect to the checkout page. Okay, so just click over here buy now. Okay, you can see directly it redirect to the checkout page, and now you can purchase from here. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can add this type of feature, like if you click buy now button, then it will redirect to the checkout page. Okay, so let's get started. Now I can close this tab, and this is the website where I want to add this type of feature. So very fast I have to install a free plugin. So again go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, just click over here add plugin. Just search here WooCommerce direct checkout. This is the plugin which I am going to use in this tutorial, direct checkout for WooCommerce. Just click over here install now, then activate. Okay, our plugin is installed and activated. Just scroll down, then check where is the plugin. Okay, this is the plugin WooCommerce direct checkout, and you can go to the settings page from here, or if you hover on WooCommerce and click on this settings, then you can see this is the direct checkout, this is the plugin settings. So you can configure the plugin from here. Okay, so before configuring the plugin, let's check the present scenario of the website. Okay, so go to the website and go to the shop page. This is the shop page, just click over here. Okay, now try to purchase a product, like this is the simple product. If you click over here add to cart, then you will see the product will be added in the cart page. Okay, then you have to go to the checkout page. Just let's check it. Just click over here add to cart. Please wait a few moments. Okay, this is the product single page. Then again click here add to cart and view cart. Now you can check out the product from here. So okay, in this tutorial I will show you how you can just click buy now button, then directly it will redirect to the checkout page. Okay, so again go to the dashboard and navigate to the WooCommerce to settings, then this is the direct checkout. This is the plugin settings page. Just click over here. This is the direct checkout. Then scroll down, then very fast you can see this is the general tab. Just click over here, then add to cart alert. Yes, I want to show it. Then the added to cart link in shop, yes, just yes, and I want to show it. Then the added to cart redirect, yes, I want to change it, and this is, you can see this is the added to cart redirect to checkout page. That's mean if I click buy now button, directly it will go to the checkout page. Okay, and replace cart URL, no, it's okay, just save changes. Then navigate to the archive tab. This is the archive tab. That's mean this is the shop page actually. Just click over here archive, and you can see replaced add to cart text. That's mean you want to replace add to cart text, yes, I want to just yes, and purchase I want to give here like buy now, and save changes. Then go to the shop page and check it. This is the shop page. Okay, hover on it, then you can see the text has been changed. Now it shows buy now. Again, click over here and go to the product single page, and currently it shows add to cart. Okay, so I want to change this text as well. So again, go to the settings area, direct checkout, and navigate to the product tab. This is the general archives, then the products. Just click over here, products. Okay, replace add to cart text, yes, I want to replace it, and currently purchase I want to give here like buy now. Okay, save changes. Go to the product single page. This is the product single page, and refresh it and check it. Yes, you can see the text has been changed. Now again, go to the shop page and try to purchase it. Click over here, buy now. Yes, you can see directly it redirect to the checkout page. Now you can check out and place the order from here. Then again, go to the product single page. This is the product single page, and you can see buy now. Just click over here and check it. Yes, and it redirect to the checkout page. Now you can purchase the product from here directly. Just give phone number, okay, then the pay with cash out, and just place order. Billing district record, just give here, okay. Okay, it works fine. You can see successfully we have added buy now button in our e-commerce website. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos on WordPress.